Hi, it's Jim from Colton RV again. Here we are today. Inside a motorhome, we're gonna talk about inverters. What an inverter does, what it doesn't do. What an inverter will do for you is take 12 volt power out of your house batteries and make it 110 power. That is gonna give you power to run your refrigerator, to run your microwave, to run your TVs. If you're trying to go overnight without plugging in, it'll run your CPAP machine for you. What it will not run is your air conditioner. With the unit plugged in, the inverter also has a charging circuit in it, so that will charge your batteries. So when you hear it referred to as an inverter charger, that will go both ways. It'll make 12 volt or it'll take 12 volt. Depends on what it's given when it comes to shore power. The advantage to adding an inverter to a travel trailer would be if you're boondocking and you're going with a solar package. That way you can run some of your 12 volt appliances off the solar. You can run some of your 110 power off of solar, because the solar is going to charge the batteries during the day, and then it'll allow you to use an inverter to watch TV at night, to run your CPAP at night off of solar power during the day. Alright, so now here we are on the panel, and the button down here is for the inverter. You see it turn blue. That means the inverter's on, and if you can read it, it says pass through. So what it's doing right now is it's taking the shore power, passing it through the inverter and no longer using it. Once you unplug, it'll automatically transfer over and start making 110 power to power the refrigerator, the microwave, the entertainment systems. When you're plugged in, it just passes through and it doesn't use the inverter, doesn't use the batteries. Once you unplug, it'll use the alternator from the engine while you're driving to power all those 110 volt appliances, being your TV, your microwave, your refrigerator. So now it is really that simple. You turn it on, leave it on during the camping season while you're using the unit. The only real time to want to turn off the inverter is when you're storing the unit, so it doesn't kill your batteries.